Are you tired of the endless cycle of working for a paycheck? Do you crave financial freedom and the ability to make money while you sleep? Well, you're in luck because today, I'm sharing with you 9 detailed passive income ideas that have the potential to make you wealthy. Idea 1: Real estate investments. Investing in rental properties can provide you with a steady stream of passive income from rental payments. Idea 2: Dividend stocks. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can earn regular payouts without having to lift a finger. Idea 3: Online courses. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable to generate passive income from your expertise. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Idea 4: Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club allow you to lend money to individuals or businesses and earn interest on your investment. Idea 5: Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate links and earn a commission on sales generated through your referrals. Idea 6: Create an app. Develop a mobile app that solves a problem or fulfills a need, and earn passive income from app downloads or in-app purchases. Idea 7: Write an ebook. Self-publish an ebook on Amazon Kindle and earn royalties from each copy sold. Idea 8: Start a blog. Monetize your blog through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling digital products. Idea 9: YouTube channel. Create and monetize a YouTube channel by producing videos on a niche topic and earning ad revenue. With these 9 detailed passive income ideas, the possibilities are endless. Imagine waking up every morning to see your bank account growing without you having to lift a finger. So what are you waiting for? Start implementing these strategies today and take the first step towards financial independence and wealth. Remember, the key to building wealth is not just in earning money, but in making your money work for you. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy investing!